Welcome back to Debt-Free Dreams, your go-to channel for making crypto investing easy and profitable. If you've been in the crypto space for a while, you've probably heard the terms coin and token being used interchangeably. But did you know they're actually two very different things? In this video, we're breaking down coins versus tokens in the simplest way possible. You'll learn the key differences between a coin and a token, how each one functions in the blockchain ecosystem, examples of popular coins and tokens, how to decide which one is best for your portfolio. Stay tuned to the end, because understanding this can help you make smarter investments and avoid common crypto mistakes. Check the description below for links to helpful tools. Ready? Let's dive in. Part 1. What is a coin? A coin is a cryptocurrency that has its own independent blockchain. Think of it as the native currency of its network. Some of the most well-known coins include Bitcoin BTC, Ethereum, Binance Coin BNB, and Solana Sol. Each of these runs on its own blockchain. For example, Bitcoin operates on the Bitcoin blockchain, while Ethereum has its own network. Coins are mainly used for payments, transactions, gas fees, staking, and store of value. If you think of the crypto space as a financial system, coins are like the main currencies. They are the backbone of their respective ecosystems. Part 2. What is a token? Unlike coins, a token does not have its own blockchain. Instead, it is built on top of an existing blockchain. For example, Ethereum allows developers to create tokens using its network. These are called ERC20 tokens, and some of the most famous ones include Uniswap Uni, Chainlink Link, and Tether USDT. Similarly, Binance Smart Chain supports BEP-20 tokens like PancakeSwap Cake and SafeMoon SFM. Tokens serve different purposes. Some are utility tokens, used to pay for services within a specific platform, for example, Uni for Uniswap. Others are governance tokens, allowing holders to vote on project decisions, for example, AVEN Comp. Some tokens are stable coins, like USDT and USDC, which are pegged to a stable asset like the US dollar. In short, if a coin is like the main currency of a country, a token is like a gift card or loyalty points. It has value, but is only used within a specific system. Part 3. Key differences between coins and tokens. The first major difference is blockchain ownership. Coins have their own blockchain, while tokens are created and function on an existing blockchain. This means that when you send Bitcoin, the transaction is recorded on the Bitcoin blockchain. But when you send an ERC20 token like USDT, the transaction is recorded on the Ethereum blockchain. Second, let's talk about functionality. Coins are designed primarily to act as money. They are used for transactions, staking, and network security. On the other hand, tokens can be multifunctional. They can represent assets, be used for governance in decentralized protocols, or act as stable value stores. Another big distinction is how they are created. Coins require an entire blockchain network to be built and maintained. In contrast, tokens can be easily created on existing networks like Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain without needing a new blockchain. Lastly, use cases vary significantly. If you need a cryptocurrency for long-term store of value or for securing a blockchain like staking ETH on Ethereum, you'll need a coin. But if you want to interact with DeFi platforms, gaming ecosystems, or stable assets, tokens are the way to go. Part 4. Should you invest in coins or tokens? Invest in coins if 1. You believe in the future of a blockchain and want to hold its native currency, for example, BTC, ETH. 2. You are looking for a long-term store of value or a hedge against inflation. 3. You want to participate in staking or secure a blockchain network. Invest in tokens if 1. You want to engage with DeFi platforms like Uniswap or Aave. 2. You are looking for governance rights in a project's decision-making process. 3. You need stable coins to reduce market volatility or make quick transactions. Both coins and tokens play an important role in the crypto space, and having a mix of both can help you diversify your portfolio and minimize risk. Now you know the difference between a coin and a token, and why it matters in the world of crypto. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more crypto insights. Check out the description for the best crypto tools and platforms. Thanks for watching Debt-Free Dreams, and I'll see you in the next video.